Okay, yesterday we had discussed about Van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation P plus A by V square into V minus B equal to RT. And what Van der Waals equation is the equation of state for the two gas properties. One is ideal gas and second one is real gas. Ideal gas equation is PV equal to RT. PV equal to RT. And ideal gas equation is PV is equal to RT, and equation of state for real gas is known as, or otherwise known as Van der Waals equation. It is known as PV equal to RT എന്നുള്ള ഫോം തന്നെ. P വരുന്നത് P plus A by V square എന്നും V വരുന്നത് V minus B എന്നുള്ള ടേം. When A and B are Van der Waals constant and it is given in your particular data textbook, ഓരോ മെറ്റീരിയൽ കണക്കായിട്ട് ഓരോ പോയിന്റ് ഉണ്ട്, A, B constants. Okay, the constants is shown here: hydrogen, air, water, oxygen, carbon dioxide. This also carbon dioxide is there. Carbon dioxide value very important. And then we had discussed about virial expression of state, and that is the relation between PV and P and PV and V. PV and P and PV and V. So PV by RT, that is PV by RT means it is known as compressibility factor Z. Compressibility factor Z. PV by RT, that R is R naught and G. PV by GT, that is molecular gas constant or universal gas constant 8.314 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. 8.314 and R naught, and symbol R is PV equal to RT. R, what is R? It is 0.217 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. That is characteristic gas constant. This is universal gas constant. PV equal to RT, and PV by RT or PV by R naught T is known as compressibility factor Z, and this is the expansion for virial expansion. And A naught, B naught, A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3, etc. is known as virial coefficients. Virial coefficients. And now we want to discuss about a property called reduced properties. Reduced property. Reduced properties. So what are called reduced properties? So we know the properties of our particular gases or liquid, anything. The main properties are pressure, volume, and temperature. Pressure, volume, and temperature are the main property we are studying in thermodynamics. Pressure, volume, and temperature. So what is reduced properties? So here we know that PR is known as critical pressure. VR is known as critical volume. TR is known as critical temperature, and suffix R named as critical. Sorry, R alla. So it is VC, PC, and TC are known as critical state. PC is known as critical temperature. VC is known as critical volume. TC is known as critical temperature, critical state. So critical state, what is critical state? We have studied about critical state about PV diagram, PVT diagram. Critical state പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. The maximum value about which a particular gas changes into saturation state മാറി superheated മാറുന്ന stage, that is a critical point, right? So at a point, at a particular critical point, temperature is known as critical temperature, the pressure is known as critical pressure, and volume is known as critical volume. That is a critical states. So we have our normal states: PV, P, pressure, volume, and temperature is normal states. Normal states. And PC, VC, TC as critical state. Critical states. So I am introducing a new term called as a reduced property or reduced states. A reduced property is known as the ratio of normal states to critical states is known as reduced states. That is, for pressure, PR reduced. R suffix means reduced. PR is known as P by PC. TR is known as T by TC. And VR is known as V by VC. And the ratio of pressure, temperature, and specific volume of a real gas corresponding to the critical states is known as reduced properties. It is a ratio of pressure, volume, and temperature of a real gas. Pressure, volume is specific volume, small b. Real gas to its critical states. The case of real gas, the case of real gas is known as reduced properties. Okay, so reduced properties, there is some values for PC, We in the textbook is given as a table. I will give you the table as a PDF. It says something values are there for PC. Critical pressure constant value for air it is 37.69 bar. Temperature TC is known as 132.5 Kelvin. Like that, air, argon, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, water, ethane, propane, everything. For every substance, the value for critical state are given in your textbook. Okay, and the other also the virial expansion coefficient A naught V naught values are also given in your textbook. So I will I will give the particular table as a PDF in your invoice. Okay. Then the ratio of normal pressure or normal states to its critical state is known as reduced states, and properties are known as reduced properties for pressure, volume, and temperature only. Okay. So pressure, volume, and temperature only. These are called reduced properties. And next one is law of corresponding states. Law of corresponding states. So here we studied about reduced properties, PR value, TR value, and VR value. So this law is based on this particular reduced properties. Okay. This law of corresponding state is based on reduced properties, and is defined as if any gas, if any two gas have equal value of reduced pressure and equal value for reduced pressure and reduced temperature, then they have the same values of reduced volume itself. Okay. If two gases have equal values of reduced pressure and reduced temperature, then they have same values of reduced volume also. Okay. എല്ലാം മൂന്ന് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ആണെന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. That is VR equal to volume, reduced volume equal to function of TR and PR. This is a law of corresponding state. It states that if any two gases have equal values of reduced pressure and reduced temperature, they have the same values of reduced volume also. They have same value for reduced volume also. Okay. This is a law of corresponding state based on critical, based on reduced property. That is, for a reduced properties, a volume is depend upon its pressure and temperature. Reduced volume is depend upon its reduced pressure and reduced temperature. And if any two gas have same values for reduced pressure and reduced temperature, they have the same value for reduced volume also. That is the law of corresponding states. VR means volume. VR, reduced volume, is a function of temperature and pressure. Not V is a function of T and R. For reduced properties only. Okay, this law is based on reduced properties only. Not V is a function of T and R. The reduced volume is only taken in this case. That is for a corresponding state for a real gas, and for reduced properties, VR equal to function of TR and PR. That is law of corresponding states. Okay. Then the last topic in your module is compressibility chart. Compressibility chart. It is a diagram as like steel tables and Mollier diagram. This is a diagram based on compressibility factor. You already studied about compressibility factor. That is Z is equal to PV divided by R naught into T or GT. R naught equal to R bar equal to G equal to anything notation equal to universal gas constant. So V is a volume. B equal variate is specific volume. P equal to pressure. T equal to temperature. So we already studied about compressibility factor. Set PV divided by R naught. Compressibility factor Z equal to PV by R naught. And compressibility chart is a chart or is a graph related with the compressibility factor and reduced properties TR and PR. the diagram which shows a relation between TR, PR, and Z is known as compressibility chart. Okay, it is defined as compressibility chart is defined as of any gas, the Z compressibility factor Z for any gas, compressibility factor Z, that is PV by RT for any gas is depend upon its reduced temperature and reduced pressure. It is the theorem behind this particular chart. That is, Z is a function of TR and PR. So for the last case, for law of corresponding state, we have studied that volume VR is a function of TR and PR, and also here also Z is a function of, for any gas, Z is a function of its reduced properties of temperature and pressure. ഈ ഒരു തിയറമാണ് ആ ഡയഗ്രത്തിലേക്കുള്ള ഇത്. Z is equal to function of TR and PR, and the relation between Z, TR, and PR is known as compressibility chart. If any two value known, we can find the third value. Okay, the relation between Z, PR, and TR is known as compressibility chart. And x-axis it is shown, x-axis PR, y-axis Z value, and TR value is shown as curves. That is the figure I will show. Reduced pressure PR, Z by X, this PV by R naught into T, Z. And it is shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is in bar. And Z value 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.2, etc. And from 1.2, etc. And from 1, for a perfect gas, PV equal to RT is known as, sorry, for ideal gas, for an PV by RT equal to 1. That is Z value. Yesterday I discussed about Z value. That is for ideal gas, PV by RT equal to 1. For ideal gas, PV by RT equal to 1. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് അങ്ങനെ ആവുന്നത്? PV equal to RT ആണ്. For ideal gas, PV equal to RT. Then PV by RT equal to 1. Therefore, from 1 എന്ന് എടുക്കുന്ന curves ഞാൻ വരച്ചുതരാം. These are the curves. These are the curves of TR. TR equal to 1, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2, 2.2, like that. Okay, is the TR value shown as the curves. TR value is shown as the curves from 1 എന്നാണ് വരുന്നത്, because PV by RT for ideal gas equal to 1, and the value, the graph is starting from that 1 value, and y-axis is shown as reduced pressure PR, and y-axis is shown as Z value PV by RT, PV by R naught into T, that is compressibility factor, and the relation between compressibility factor, reduced pressure PR, and reduced temperature TR is known as the compressibility chart. And if we know any two of the value, we can find the other value, PR value, TR value, and Z value. If any two values known, we can find the other value. That is the relation between Z, PR, and TR. It is known as compressibility chart. Okay. So for this session, we have studied about reduced properties, PR, TR, and VR, and the law of corresponding state, that is VR equal to function of TR and PR. That is, if any two gases have the same value of TR and PR, that also have a same value of VR also. Okay. Reduced volume is a function of reduced temperature and pressure. And next we have studied about compressibility chart, that is the relation between Z, PR, and TR is shown here. The graph is like that, and this particular, if you know the particular two values of reduced pressure, Z or TR. If any two values known, we can find the other value. That is the method of using compressibility chart. Okay. Then we can do some problem related to this section. We can do some problem related to section. Okay. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Sir.
ശരി, ഞാൻ നമുക്ക് ചെറിയൊരു പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യാം. To understand the section of real gas and ideal gas. Real gas and ideal gas. First, you can do the problem of ideal gas. Ideal gas is basically the problem. Okay. The volume of a high altitude chamber. Simple problems are simple problems in section the volume of a high altitude chamber. Volume of a high altitude chamber is 40 meter cube. Is 40 meter cube. Full stop. It is put into operation by. It is put into operation. It's put into operation by reducing pressure from 1 bar to 0.1 bar. 1 bar to 0.4 bar. So P1 and T1 is P1 and P2 is given. And temperature from 25 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. 25 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Full stop. How many kilogram of air must be removed? How many kilogram of air? How many kilogram of air must be removed? Must be removed from the chamber during the process. Full stop. Express this mass as a volume measured. Express this mass as a volume measured at 1 bar and 25 degrees Celsius. At 1 bar and 25 degrees Celsius. Full stop. Take R equal to 287 joule per kilogram Kelvin for air. Please write down the question. The volume of a high altitude chamber is the 40 meter cube. Volume is 40 meter cube. It is put into operation by reducing pressure from initially a particular chamber gas air a pressure of 1 bar and temperature 25 degrees Celsius. This reduced to 0.4 bar and 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. How many kilogram of air must be removed from the chamber during the process? So ingane aavan etra mass air porthekku kalyanam. Express this mass as a volume measured at 1 bar and 25 degrees Celsius. So mass kandupidikka, that is PV equal to MRT എന്ന equation മാത്രമേ നമുക്കുള്ളൂ. PV equal to MRT. The main equation we are using is PV equal to MRT. And you want to find the mass value. So for the first case, initial condition PV equal to MRT, one find out. And at the final condition, PV equal to MRT, M. Second, first initial case, For initial case, P1, I'm sorry, please given the write on the given data first. Is written given data. Volume is 40 meter cube. Volume is 40 meter cube. Initial volume V1. Okay, volume initial volume. A chamber volume is 40 meter cube. It's not changing. A chamber is here and this volume is 40 meter cube. It is not changing. 40 meter cube, simply volume. V1 and V2 is 40 meter cube. P1 is given as 1 bar. P2 is given as 0.4 bar. T1 is given as 25 degrees Celsius. T2 is given as 5 degrees Celsius. These are given data. And R value is also given, 287. R value, 287. Joule per kilogram Kelvin. This is the given data. So initially we have our equation PV equal to MRT for ideal gas. So from this equation, P1, B1 equal to MRT1. M1, R1, T1. So initial condition, R is a constant value, volume is a 40 meter cube, pressure P1 is given, R is given, T1 is also given. So you want to find out the M1 value, initial mass. Find out. And for second condition, M2 or T2. P2 is given, V2 is simply V1 itself, 40 meter cube itself. M2 is unknown value, R is a constant value, T2 is given. So the condition you want to find the M2 value. And by dividing the higher value by lower value, M1 minus M2, you will get the removed mass. It's a simple question. It's a very simple question. Initially, you want to find the M1 value from P1, V1 equal to MR T1. And second condition, you want to find the M2 value by P1, P2, V2 equal to M2 or T2. And by reducing that mass, initial mass is final mass, you will get the reduced mass. So you will get the reduced mass, M value. That is our first main question. To find the kilogram of air must be removed from the chamber during this process. So initially, first you want to find the M1 value. What is M1 value and M2 value? What is M1 value and M2 value? M1 equal to P1 V1 by RT1. P1 V1 by RT1. That is P1 is 1 into 10 raised to 5. Pascal 1 10 raised to 5 into V1. V1 is 40 meter cube itself. So I want to change. Divided by RT1. R is 287. R is 287 itself. Not in kilojoule, this is in joule. R is 287 into T1 is given as 25 degrees Celsius. You want to convert it to Kelvin. 25 to Kelvin and 5 degree to Kelvin. 25 plus 273 and 5 degrees Celsius to 273. 278 and 298. 298. You will get the M1 value. And M2 value is P2 V2. P2 is 0.4 in 10 power 5 into volume is 40 itself, divided by R is 287 itself into 278. You will get the M2 value. What is M1 value?
$46.76.
46.76 kilogram. And M2 value? $287 into 278. Volume is 40 itself. M2 value is
20.05.
എത്രയാണ്?
20.05.
20 point, right? 20.05.
05.
5. Okay, done. And the total mass value is removed mass value is kilogram. Very good. And the kilogram mass removed is M1 minus M2 or higher value minus lower value 46.76 minus 20.05, and you will get the value as 26.71, right? Kilogram. That is a removed mass. Okay, that is removed mass. And next question is, express this mass as a volume measured at 1 bar and 25 degrees. So our question is that question, the first part is finished. So next you want to find the mass. You want to express this mass as a volume measured at 1 bar and 25 degrees. So volume measured at 1 bar, P equal to 1 bar, P equal to 1 bar, that is 125 Pascal, and temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, that is 298 Kelvin, and mass you already find out the mass as 226.75 kilogram, and you want to express this mass as volume. Okay, question meaning, you want to express that particular mass into volume means if a particular A is 20, B is 40. Okay, C is 20 itself. So I am saying that you want to express the C as a equation of A and B. C as A and B എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താ പറയുക? C is equal to A minus B, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ C is equal to B minus A, right? In that way you want to express this mass as a volume. A volume equal to എന്നാക്കി മാറ്റണം. Volume equal to എന്നുള്ള ചിഹ്നത്തിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവന്നിട്ട് ഈ മാസിനെ എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യണം. Okay, then you have the equation PV equal to MRT itself. PV equal to MRT itself, and you want to find out the volume with respect to that particular mass. ഈ മാസിൽ കണക്കായ വോളിയം കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചാൽ മതി. That is the way of express the mass into volume. P equal to MRT, then V equal to MRT by P, that is M equal to 26.71, R equal to 287, temperature equal to 298 divided by P into 1 meter raised to 5. That is the volume, meter cube. That is the way of expressing that mass as volume. That particular find out, you have already find out the mass value, that is 26.71 kilogram, and you want to express that mass as a volume, and that volume to the properties of that is pressure is given as 1 bar and temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, and you want to express that mass as volume. P equal to MRT, substitute the values to find the volume. That is 26%, 27, 298 divided by 130 square, that is the value 22.84 meter cube, right? 22.84 meter cube will be your answer. And like this problem, simple problem will ask in this section. In our mass volume, the only equation you want to use is PV equal to MR. Okay, in every problem you want to use the relation PV equal to MRT only, but in some cases you want to choose characteristic gas constant and universal gas constant separately. It is the question for real gas only. It is a question of ideal gas only. In this particular question, there is no case of molecular items. The molecular weight is not given. Mole number of moles is not given. Okay, molecular components in the case you want to take that universal gas constant R naught value, and the relation between R naught and R is R equal to R naught by M, right? That is R naught equal to M into R, where M equal to molecular weight, R equal to characteristic gas constant, R naught equal to universal gas constant. you was very thorough with this particular equation relation, that is R equal to R naught by M, M equal to molecular weight, R naught equal to universal gas constant, and R is equal to characteristic gas constant. Okay, this is the method of doing particular problem in this section. So only equation you are using is PV equal to MRT, and particular relations R equal to R naught by M, and relations PV equal to MRT. You want to find either pressure, either volume, either mass, either T value, etc. Okay. So we can do more and more problems in our next session. As tomorrow. So today's section was reduced properties, compressibility chart, and law of corresponding state, and a problem related to our module.